Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Psych E-Pathshala, your study companion to learn psychology online. In this video, we will discuss about stress measurement, stress management, coping strategies and stress and personality. If you like our video, then please like and subscribe and press the bell icon and choose the all option. If you have any feedback, suggestion regarding our video and queries about psychology areas, then please comment below the video. Link to our Facebook page is given in the description. Click on it and go to our Facebook page and like the page. If you like this video, please share with your friends. So now let's start today's topic. Now we will discuss about measurement of stress. We can measure stress by using these three scales. The first one is Social Readjustment Rating Scale by Thomas Holmes and Richard Rahe. In short, it is called SRRS. In this scale, 43 stressful life events are presented in an item format. Scores of 300 plus shows a greater illness. Scores in between 150 to 299 shows moderate illness, and scores lower than the 150 shows no stress or little bit stress. This scale is for adults. For college student, another version is present, that is College Undergraduate Stress Scale by Renner and Macking, 1998. It is also known as CUSS. The next scale is Hassel Scale by Lazarus and Folkman, 1984. In this scale, items are rated in between 0 to 3, where 0 means no stress and 3 means high level of stress. The person rates the items as how much stress it causes. The next scale is Depression Anxiety Stress Scale, which is known as DASS, published by University of South Wales, Australia. This scale helps measure stress. Now we will discuss about management of stress. The first technique is relaxation technique. It is an active skill which helps to reduce our stress level. It decreases our blood pressure level and reduce our heart problem. Relaxation technique starts from the lower part of the body and progresses up to the facial muscle, which helps to reduce our stress level. This technique was described by Jacobson and it is known as Jacobson Progressive Muscular Relaxation Technique. In short, JPMR. Next technique is meditation. In this technique, a person concentrates on a point or an object which helps them to reach a level of consciousness where they cannot perceive the entire surroundings of them. This helps to reduce our stress level. The next one is creative visualization. In this technique, the person uses imagination or imagery. In this technique, the person visualizes a scene which helps to reduce their stress level. This reduces unnecessary thinkings and increase the creative thought. The next one is biofeedback. In this technique, a person can see their bodily changes in a machine and can actively control their bodily changes to reduce the stress level. The next one is cognitive behavioral technique. According to Mission Bum, stress inoculation training helps to reduce our stress level. According to this process, when we face some stressful event, we think negatively and behave in negative way. In stress inoculation training, a person changes their negative thinking and their negative behavior into positive ones. Next technique is exercise. A daily exercise can reduce our stress level. Regular exercise can improve our efficiency of heart, efficiency of our lung capacity, reduce our blood pressure level, increase our oxygen level, and also improve our immune system. Now we will discuss about coping strategies. Coping strategies are action that people can take to tolerate, reduce or minimizing the effect of stressor. It includes both behavioral technique and psychological technique. It is a conscious process. According to Lazarus and Folkman, coping strategies are classified into two sections, that is problem focused coping and emotional focused coping. In problem focused coping, people can focus to solve their problem in stressful situation or seeking information about the problem. Next, emotional focused. In emotional focused coping, people can reduce the negative emotion which they felt during the stress. Now we will discuss about stress and personality. Personality affects how a person assesses a stressor, uses the coping strategies and possible health outcomes. At first, we discuss about the type A and type B personality, which is identified by Friedman and Rosenman. Characteristics of type A are workaholic, competitive, ambitious, hostile nature. The coronary heart disease is common for this type of personality. In type B, the persons are easygoing, calm, quiet, slower to anger, and have not faced any health related problem. In type C, which are identified by Temosok and Dreher, persons are peaceful and calm, but they cannot show negative emotion in proper way. They are cancer prone. In type H, that is hardy personality, which is identified by Susan Kovasa 1979, the persons have a hardy personality. They are similar to type A person but do not show the health related problems. 3 C's are very important for this type of personality, that is commitment, control and challenge. They have sense of commitment and control and sees a stressor as a challenge. Now we will discuss about explanatory style. There are two types of explanatory style, that is optimist and pessimist. Optimists are people who always tend to look for positive outcomes. For an optimist, a glass is half full. On the other hand, pessimists are people who always tend to look for negative outcomes. For a pessimist, a glass is half empty. Optimists have certain characteristics. Number 1, they have control over their mood or emotional reaction. Next, they can learn through alternative thinking. They are relaxed and they can correct their faulty thinking. The pessimists have the opposite characteristic of an optimist. Research shows that an optimist have better immune system and they have longer life. They have increased number of helper T cell and natural killer cell. On the other hand, pessimists have a weaker immune system and shorter life than an optimist.